Kat Dinger here, and I wanted to just fill you in on some of the details for changes that the College Board is planning to the AP Physics exam this year. So not all of the details are released. They are planning to go to a later testing date this year. That date is going to be announced on April 3rd. I'll make sure I update you once I know what those dates are. They also have some details on the format that they are still working on and are also going to release on April 3rd. For now, the big things that they have announced. First up, the AP exam is going to be something that you'll be doing at home. And so you are going to be submitting your answers online in some format. They're still working out what exactly that's going to look like. If you have any concerns about your ability to access technology to do that, there is a form that I've linked under AP exam updates on Schoology. Make sure you go fill that out to let the College Board know what resources you have available that might impact your ability to participate in an AP exam this year. One of the other big things is the exam's only going to be 45 minutes long instead of 3 hours. To do that, they've gone to totally free response this year. There will be no multiple choice. A lot of teachers are really nervous and are freaking out a bit about that change. I'm actually really excited about that because, as far as I'm concerned, that's playing to our strengths. When I look at your Try 1 and your Try 2 final exams, students tended to score much higher on the free response than on the multiple choice. In addition, in past years when Tartan students have taken the AP Physics exam, the free response scores have been much higher than the multiple choice scores on the actual exam. And like I said, we're on track to repeat that this year. And so to have that be all free response, like I said, that is great. If they're going to cut something out, let's cut out the part that students tend to not do as well on here. They're also cutting down some of the content that's going to be included on the exam. There's two main sequences that are really popular for AP Physics. Unfortunately, we are not following the sequence that the College Board used to decide what content to cut. And so the content that will not show up on the exam is going to be Coulomb's law and electric charges, electric circuits, and waves. So you will not have to know anything about those three topics. In terms of the way we've been naming things, that includes all of the charged particles model, and it includes that third learning target, OPM3, of the oscillating particle model. You'll still have to know about pendulums and springs from that oscillating particle model, but nothing about waves. There will be some content we still need to cover this spring on circular motion and on rotation, but I've got some ideas about how to do that online and how to make it work. And this does cut down on what we need to work on reviewing. So, like I said, there'll be more information released on April 3rd. I'll make sure I update you then with what I know.